Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add someone via QR code in Telegram. It's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is get access to the QR code. For example, in my case, I have a QR code of this person. Alright, so let's scan it using our QR scanner. Using the photo, scan the QR code. Now done. So this is the link of the person of which this QR code is taken from. Alright, so just click on it. Now we will be redirected to the message box of this person. So in order to add them as contact, click on their profile picture and click on add to contacts. Once you do that, I request to approve ourselves as their contact will be sent to this person, and once they have approved, they will be in our contact list and vice versa. So if you want to share your own profile QR code, go to this hamburger menu at the top left corner, go to your profile picture. Now there's a QR code icon at the top. Click on it. Now just share QR code and share it to whichever destination you want. It can be My Notes or any apps that you have installed in your phone. Alright, now you know how to add someone via QR code in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding someone via QR code in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye-bye.